Sisingamangaraja XII. Sisingamangaraja XII was born Patuan Besar Opu Pulau Batu in Bakara, Tapanuli in 1849. He was a successor to his father, the Sisingamangaraja XI, who died in 1867. He was the last in line of figures known as Parmalin, who were regarded as divine kings and incarnation of Batara Guru, the Javanese version of the god Shiva. The Sisingamangaraja was believed to have power such as the ability to drive away evil spirits, call forth the rain, and control rice growing. Tapanuli War was a war between Sisingamangaraja XII against the Dutch, who wanted to instill its monopoly over the kingdoms of Sumatra, particularly Aceh Sultanate and Toba. These kingdoms refused to sign the Korte Verklaring, or short agreement, which means rejecting the Dutch monopoly on trade with the receipt of cooperation with other European countries. On February 6, 1878, the Dutch troops arrived in Pearaja and continued to Bahal Stone to construct fortifications. The colonial army's presence has provoked Sisingamangaraja XII, who then announced Pulas or war on February 16, 1878, and the invasion of the Dutch in the post of Bahal Stone started. On May 3, 1878, Bakara area was fully conquered by the Dutch, but Sisingamangaraja XII was able to rescue himself and his family out of the area. Meanwhile, other kings that were left behind in Bakara were forced to pledge allegiance to the Dutch kingdom, and the area was declared as an area under the sovereignty of the Dutch Indies government. Although Bakara was conquered, Sisingamangaraja XII continued to fight in guerrilla, even though more and more areas fell under the domain of the Dutch Indies government. There was a lot of battles by the Sisingamangaraja XII against the Dutch, until finally, on June 17, 1907, Sisingamangaraja XII was killed in a clash in the Dairi region, along with his daughter Lopian and his sons Patuan Nagari and Patuan Anggi. Sisingamangaraja XII was buried in Silindung. His grave was later moved to the National Hero Cemetery in Soposurung, Balige in June 14, 1953. The battle and the struggle that Sisingamangaraja XII did had inspired not only the people of Batak, but also the people of Indonesia. His struggle later became the basis for Sisingamangaraja XII to be appointed as a national hero of Indonesia. The title of the national hero was given to Sisingamangaraja XII by the decree of the government of the Republic of Indonesia on November 19, 1961. In his last breath, he said, "Au Sisingamangaraja," which means, "I am Sisingamangaraja." It is a sentence that describes the persistent and high self-esteem and the never-give-up attitude of a remarkable king of Batak.